can give you the date, the time, how many times you visit Ethiopia, how many days you stay in Ethiopia. I can also give you the name of the hotel. And I can also tell you how you go to Ethiopia by chartering flight from Kenya. I want to tell Biafra one thing. Our money is gone, though. I do remember. Don't cry, you. Don't cry. Abu me guy who gonna private jet charter. Oh, you do the Magaba Ethiopia on a charter private jets. Who didn't cage Jebu Davido? All those stars. Now, me and I don't here. What I'm giving you, it's okay. I couldn't say, okay, I'm from my nose. I don't put up a lot here. When I don't hear a woman, I don't have a private jet across here. Look out, across Abia. Umugu have Europe, I'm African country. Yes, go and walk. Oh, I have it. That's sad. Psalm 54. Oh, you see, I have one buga. I never tell a club, A1 club. Go there. I'm giving you some tip. You have this money to spend for an investigation. Buy your ticket wherever you sign. Just lodge in Nairobi. Just go there, like move on Monday from anywhere you base. You arrive that morning, you arrive in the evening. Just take a car to K19 Club in Nairobi, Kenya. I went a picture also. If you that Fendi picture, where they have the K19 Club, you don't need to go inside. The bouncers you meet there will tell you who is your leader. It's not a customer, it's a VIP. Politicians in Kenya are afraid.
Will always use this titles of use and dump or use and discard, or use or discard or blackmail or discard you. But now these people know they have mastered your game and they will beat you on your own game. The same way Kahama do let's see Kamaloni Kegabu. My play that game. They will tell you Nahama your game. Even each and on dozo. A blackmail uche me fe what would you will fake account. There's an idea the uche me for I'm disappointed. I am on the canon idea. I'm disappointed in you and they getting you. You on a yaman on the canon. If I have looked at one and the men getting one to work in South Africa, maybe none the canoe. Up before them, up the winners in a feel bad. A yana me John a yama. These people, my your game, they will beat you. Nandi, let me tell you, they will beat you hands down in that your own game. Apart from this COVID and the ambassadors getting one in away, they will not talk. If you not talk, they will not talk. If you don't move, they will not move. If you move, they move. If you strike, they strike. They will beat you in your that on your that game, on your own game. They will be that's your titles. They have studied it. They were there. He used when he for the Iranian walk all. He used when Ucheme for walk all. He used when Ucheme no walk all. They were there watching you play in that game. You can't beat them. You better surrender. Surrender because I put them in everlasting pain. If we every program how we DC Kenga. Why are you not attacking Kenga? Why you don't want to attack Kenga? Why DOS not attacking Kenga? DOS are my brother, my senior brother. They will not. I'm the apple of their own eyes. I'm their last born. In fact, I'm their special one. I'm the. But I want to go that. Niangwe special love. but genuine love as a brother. Is it KK? Go na talk up tabia. He will not, because he have my senior brother. In those I have my trust. Is it not their money they are using? I don't understand. Don't go for them. Put on my duchinas. Una de can wojido bujiton. Kelum kebo. Unu well over $1 million. Una ye metiaka. No no changes. He will go one plane. You just up hase. Tina fan elie gun die POP. Look at our former, but my brother. But only can hear where the title for. Onya pata no. Oh, if you boundaries. Keep boundaries. Don't allow people to come very. Who can talk about a former? Because a former were tied in a row. He will not even pick your call. Talk less of all these fools. Now, Isaiah today. Can you find Isaiah? Because they have a free asset to Isaiah. Or if I had you about Tiana. Yes, but everybody can be the same. Isaiah no way in a mere. Go where coordinate, God make everybody not in peace. But what is happening? If an enemy today, but due to people who come is now Hannah barrier, and I told these people that look at their plans, because now they want to destroy these people that will ask him question. Now they cannot joy. Where is the money we contributed and gave you? Where is the money? Where Imam went to where your bandanwa?
Okay, let's start. Welcome back again. This is 7 minutes to the program. And we are back again. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe in case if you are new. Yes, the owner of the platform is I don't know if somebody is advising them on how to handle my page. But to God be glory. To God be the glory, because we are here. I welcome all of you. Good morning to you. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. We are here again to do the needful, to go through some of those things that many of us already know. Please, once again, I'm not here to attack or to insult anybody. I don't promote any violence. Neither am I in support of kidnapping or crime of any kind. Our platform is not for that. We are here just to touch light on those things that concerns us, that somehow we need to talk about it. But before we go further, I would like to welcome all of us. I always say some of us, as if I'm going to skip some people. I'd like to welcome all of us that are here. Okay, River Goddess, where are you? Just a moment, my people, just hold on. I'm looking for River Goddess. I don't know where she is here. Just a moment. Okay. Please, you can use this opportunity and share it to WhatsApp and other groups where you are, so that can I charge keep in amending more. So let it not be that John Okenwa. Are you the one, John Okenwa? Is that you? Yeah, I think you are the one. I greet you, my brother. How is Mandela and his family? Okay. Please share it. Let me share it. Let me drop it in our own group, and of course maybe other group as well. People have, Biafrans are very, very stubborn people, to be honest with you. You remember when I made my WhatsApp group initially, I said I don't want people to share in WhatsApp link, but Biafrans have pushed me away from that. They said no. Even though it's your WhatsApp, but we are in charge here. Everything, all my rules and regulations in that WhatsApp group, they have just ignored everything. As I'm talking to you now, people are sharing their program there better than my own. Nobody is even sharing my program there. Nobody, not even admit there, nobody is sharing my program in my WhatsApp group. But guess what? Every other Biafrans, honestly, our people are very, very strong people. Very, very stubborn. Very, very stubborn. I have given up. Anybody can share whatever you want to share there. Let me see. I'm doing sharing it myself. I'm doing dropping it myself because let's continue though. I have to send it here again before I go straight to the program, and I will go straight to the program by actually talking about I think where's this? Shout out to Margaret. Margaret is exempted. Margaret is not. One thing about that our sister is that she knows the assignment very, very well. Honestly, thank you so much. Not only this one, I'll see. Sometimes if I come in a group, I will see my video there. Guess who is sharing it? Margaret. Margaret, thank you so much. And all of you you're sharing it, of course, with maybe I've not come across it. God bless all of you. All right. So here we have some people on the comment section, which I have to quickly send my greetings to all of you. We have Frank Okoye, our brother. Greetings to you. I greet you. I appreciate you. And this is Amechi Jonas. Jonas, I greet you. And Frank Okoye again. God bless you. God bless you, my brother. Oliver Hillary, I greet you. You are welcome. Oliver Hillary again. Happy New Month to all Biafrans. He said, please like the video and click on the like button. Share it to many platforms of your choice. Our own brother, Triple M, is here. Happy New Month to you, Triple M. I hope all is well with you. And we are here all thanks to Chukwuka Biama for giving us victory at last. I'm telling you. Don't mind the Ken, guys. There's something he said that caught my attention. Yes, we're coming there anyway. Good day, Mazekai. We stand on the truth. United States of Biafra, period. Okay, Margaret. And our own brother, Okenwa, is here. Good evening, bro. Good evening to you. Kevin, our own brother again, who is here. I greet you, Kevin. Nice to see you. No wonder Uche, okay, he's not saying anything about you. Why? Okay, Uche is DOS and DOS is Uche. Okay, I understand you. I don't want to pronounce some of the word. Please, lovely Biafrans, hit the like button. Thank you so much. That is Margaret John Okenwa. Yeah, I know. Thank you for reminding me. I have done that already. Yeah, I've seen that. Let the confusion keep coming. We are keeping the record exactly. And USB or nothing. Kevin, just share. God bless you, my brother. Yes, my brother, we are fine. And your side, that is Okenwa. God is in control. God is at will. God bless USB. He said, I am not in that WhatsApp group, but I share your video. How is it possible that you are not in WhatsApp group and you share it? Is it possible? Is it possible you are not in my WhatsApp group or WhatsApp group where USB WhatsApp group? Which of them are you saying you are not in? Are you not in my WhatsApp group, Margaret? You have to be. You have to be in our WhatsApp group because you are one in a million. God bless our Trinity. And so are you a Catholic? Triple M, are you a Catholic? Say God bless our Trinity. And all the genuine cabinet members. I love the word genuine. Some are not, some are, which is normal. And Daniel, our own brother, said, watching from East Malaysia. God bless you, Kai, for the wonderful work you are doing for the Biafrans, debunking the false narrative of saboteurs and the mediocres. Oliver said, good evening, everyone. Thank you so much, Oliver. And Triple M, guys, kindly hit the like button and share the podcast. Thank you so much, Oyezoku. Greeting from me, genuine USB citizens. You are doing absolutely great for Biafrans. May God bless you. Up USB, that is Ifeanyi Stanley. Oyenkai. Margaret, I mean in your WhatsApp. You have to be. Why are you not in my WhatsApp group? Also, go on. Margaret, why are you not in my WhatsApp group? But you guy, or is it? Are you not seeing the link? Or even in the go to my video description is there. Not only WhatsApp group, I have WhatsApp channel. You have to follow us there now. You know, I want people that are actually, you know, that understand the assignment and the time we are in. Some of us don't even understand the reason why I am bringing this kind of videos of this DOS, current DOS and past DOS. Some of us don't know the reason. If you are here, let me not even say my own. When I started listening to Master Namakan, if you have been following Master Namakan starting from 2015, like me, my from 2012/2013, yeah, that initial stage when he was touring countries, that is when I started. One of my thank guy actually, he's the one that told me about radio app, you know. Then there's this I was using you know, when Samsung released their first tablet, okay, I bought that that week when that tablet came out. I'm one of the first people that purchased that tablet. I downloaded that app there. Each time you know, every 7 p.m. different time, I will use that my Samsung, not Samsung, sorry, iPhone. It's iPhone, Apple iPad. Okay, I think that is 3. I think that iPad 1. I think iPad 1, iPad 3. I've forgotten the number. So when each time I put Radio Biafra, everybody will be enjoying it. Okay, we really enjoyed it. Not in homeland though. I wasn't in homeland then. I'm just telling you. So don't think that I will go no. But my neighbors and every friends, we gather together to listen and but if you started joining or listening to Master Gan in 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, for example, before COVID, if you follow Master Gan down till now, you will appreciate what we are doing. We never have people who are not answerable to government broadcasting and talking about Biafra. This is the first time we're having that. And the initiative comes from the long, you know, experience that you have gathered in what is going on as an outsider. To do what? To expose the truth and help people who just started, for you not to be a victim. Starting it, we already know. When I say we, I'm talking about anybody that you hear say talking about independent broadcaster. Some independent broadcasters understand what I'm talking about. Some don't. I'm have to let you know that. Some don't understand why we believe to be independent and we say we are independent. That's a reason. That does not mean that you don't have choice to make. Are you following? But to let Biafrans understand that nobody's dictating what you are saying, nobody's policing what you are doing. Look at my time like in a kuna. I have not said hello, DPM say hello to me. Everybody is talking to DPM. She's open to answer call. Or let's say if she's really busy, I was told. But if you know what has happened, you appreciate what you are doing. Because let it not be that somebody said, that thing that I feel that I know, I will share it with you for you to be aware in case if you came late. And we also we are open to discuss and answer some questions based on what we know. Don't ask us, okay, what is the security plan of this? We don't know because we are not an insider. Are you following? We are able to tell you we know and we don't know. We don't claim to know everything because we are not meant to know everything. Why? Because we are an outsider. So it's not like your brother telling you the truth about what is going on, so that you don't keep on nursing your hope that these guys they are talking to DPM, they are cabinet member. We are not. And I love the fact that DPM is the one leading now, and we have a group of people who are independent broadcasters that can criticize anybody and nobody will call me and begin to threaten. No. Why? Does it mean that people are not threatening? People do threaten. People are actually trying to. We know all those things, but guess what? After broadcasting, we sleep like a baby. Why? Because we don't lie. You understand? If you think that what we said about you is not in line with what you want or what you think that you represent, you can come up and argue. Are you following? We are doing it with conscience. I'm talking about every independent media, but no. Some may not understand what it means to be an independent broadcaster. Some do. But even if you don't understand it, as long as you are following in that line of independent broadcasting, you are doing God's work. Because there's so many confusion out there. If you are to belong to USB government, media, officially without saying independent, people may think that we are saying what I say because after all, what do you expect us to say? We are independent, we are in government. But the Butaro Siga for web and I will again what if in a government in terms of giving us what to broadcast. No, one thing about DPM, education is good. DPM or anybody in cabinet have not called and said, please, tomorrow you guys should come out and take Biafra from this. I don't believe that, because I am telling you what I know. They don't push us. They don't ask us, okay, please, tomorrow you could dress like this and come this way. No, they don't do that. Why? Because they are educated. They understand what it means to be independent. Because they are in line of the truth. That's why they are the only group that is happy with us. Why? Because, not because we are saying something that suits them. No. But we are saying it the way it is. Why? They are doing it the way it should be. I don't know if you are following what I'm, because all these years, people have come in, people come and go. People have been recycling the same thing. Oh, yeah, do it. Whereas they don't even love Oyed, they don't understand what Oyed represents. But I can tell you now, without DPM chatting with me, if I can tell you what happened, what this person said during the Finland Convention, what the person said, it simply means that I have devoted my time to study it my own before I can now talk about it. And why am I not shying away talking about it? That I may face a very serious challenge that somebody will come and say, look, what you just said that took place in Finland is not true. If you say you are there, I think I watch it as well. I will present the video. Then we can answer. I'm actually that believe. Have you asked yourself how many people? Why is it that these people don't join us in our program, begin to decide to like putting a very logical argument to counter us? No. Instead, the only argument they will take is that you are being paid. Your madam will say, your madam does say. That's not an argument. That is a cry of a baby. Because you know that the truth is hitting you from every direction. What am I trying to say? All these things going on today, playing Metesela video, Achalugo video, and Loloneka, if I age of 4, it's not because there's not that thing to talk about. But discussing it is to let you know where we are coming from. So that tomorrow you don't say, oh, yeah, let me just do this, they won't understand. You are talking to people that have gathered experience on this pattern of lying, propagating lies to nail somebody on cross and pretend that you're actually doing something good. That era has come and gone. Guess what? They tried it on PM. What happened? Segun handily PM defended himself. Of course, with the Biafran that know that understand the assignment. Am I happy that confession is flying from left and right? Yes, of course, I'm happy. What does that mean? It means it's a sign of validation. It's a sign of that, it's quite encouraging. Even though I have some advice to those who are now trying to, soften their tones in calling people names, like Metisela Achalugo and Osoji, Achibe Paul, and so many of them that I don't even know before, like the one called Njideka. I don't even know her. This is my first time of hearing her name. But the way she talks, you can see that she has been here for a very long time. But those that we know, that is who we will talk about. When you see, listen, people that PM Samonepa have pointed finger at, PM Tuogaka, or Tuogaka, like Masamagana, that Tuogaka, or DPM. That Tuogaka, my brother, my sister, even if maybe Naka Faro Tokewa, or Panika with a little caution, just calm down and go and check yourself first. Because you get wild. Everybody that PM have talked about, it is now evidently clear that PM was right. He has been right in everything. Look at Azayoba. Before the arrest of PM, that guy who baraba everywhere, you see baraba, iru baraba, aka baraba, obi baraba. The guy he's quite, huge somehow. Manoju can just arrow. Now the guy, be fine guy. I'm not gonna lie, but his members are now calling him out. Did you hear what Ikenga said? Nandi boy, as long as Ikenga came out and began to appreciate them by calling their names, I don't know who's Agbayim. First time I heard that name is from PM Samonepa. Agbayim. Look at it today. For Ikenga to appreciate him goes to show that PM did not mystify. He did not. When PM pointed at a man called Gaddafi, go and check. PM was right. What they don't understand is that PM made it clear that I am not here to make friends. So I'm not here to make friends. He said it to them. I am not here to make friends. Do they learn from that? No. Do they appreciate it? No. You know what? I'm going to play the video of Ikenge again. So that you understand. Just many of us, if not all of us, know who is Ikenga and what the guy represents. If Ikenga, Keshosu, Jovika, Loloneka, and all these US cabals, and I wonder another man. On that one, like, hey, the worst of Udele, the worst, and why you agree enough for you?
Nnamdi Kanu will always use this titles of use and dump or use and discard. Or use or discard or blackmail or discard you. But now these people know they have mastered your game and they will beat you on your own game. The same way Kahama my play that game. They will tell you now your game. A blackmail uche mefe what would you will fake account. I'm disappointed. I am on Nnamdi Kanu. I'm disappointed in you. I'm getting you.
People that this kind of thing will affect are those who did not listen. Maybe you don't know much about Mazakan before he was arrested. Like you have not joined to listen to his, you have not joined his class or his lecture. Until now, that you are now playing old videos is playing old videos is not enough to be convinced or to understand the assignment. Anybody that listens to Mazakan diligently before his arrest, not playing old video. If you have not joined his live broadcast, I'm not saying listen to his live broadcast. I'm saying you joined live. You listen to his live broadcast. If you have not done that up to 10 times, you can be bought over. You may make mistake. You may make a wrong choice. Those that have listened to him or joined his live broadcast up to 10 times and decided to made wrong choice, those ones are destined to commit crime. That is all the fact. You may not understand what this guy is trying to do because they have waited and waited. They now know that Master McCann has been sentenced and all that. That's why all of them cannot open mouth and talk. All of them cannot open their mouth and talk. Hear him again.
You on a Yamano Nandika. If I have for Kitan, one and little men getting one work in South Africa, maybe none the canoe. Up before them, up the winners in a feel bad. A yana me John a yama. These people, my your game, they will beat you. Nandi, let me tell you, they will beat you hands down in that your own game. Apart from this COVID and the ambassadors getting one in away, they will not talk. If you not talk, they will not talk. If you don't move, they will not move. If you move, they move. If you strike, they strike. They will beat you in that game, on your own game. They will be that's your titles. They have studied it. They were there. He used when he for the Iranian walk all. He used when Ucheme for walk all. He used when Ucheme walk all. No matter what, they were there watching you play in that game. You can't beat them. You better surrender. Surrender because I put them in everlasting pain. Every program how will DC Kenga. Why you not attacking Kenga? Why you don't want to attack Kenga? Why DOS not attacking Kenga? DOS are my brother, my senior brother. They will not. I'm the apple of their own eyes. I'm their last born. In fact, I'm their special one. But I want that niangwe special love. But genuine love as a brother. Is it KK?
And on a Bafa Bondi which title position. Now the so-called DOS, a group that must kind of formed and give open door for this church rats. They occupy position. They are now insulting Masakano and promoting people who's made themselves number one enemy to Masakano. Simply meaning that these people are also enemy to Masakano. They are just saying that, tell me who you go with, and I will tell you who you are. Is it a surprise thing to us now? No. Do you understand? Guess what? PM have seen this long time ago. PM understand this before everybody. And he's following them. He made it clear. But like I always tell you, in this life, when you are teaching somebody something, like in a classroom, you begin to teach, let's say you are teaching further maths. Do not expect everybody in the classroom to understand what you're talking about. The formula is there. The pattern to solve the equation, anything is there. But some students will grab it faster. It will take some people time. Some will understand it instant. Some may take 1 week. Some 1, 2 months. Some will need even extra moral lesson to understand it. The same head, the same human being, but the understanding cannot be the same. It took PM an instant moment to analyze DOS, and he was able to dictate where they're heading to. Today, only just now, Methuselah and their group are now realizing the mistakes of the past. The only thing, like I said last time, some of us disagree, that Kano Masakano family, despite all they have done they should help Master Namorikano to do one thing. Because as it stands, not only that Master Kano don't have people to defend him from the US camp, only few guys. Metusela, Acharugo, and Darlington, what is the name of this guy? Paul Achabe. Okay, they are not enough. They are not enough. Because remember, those ones in that are attacking Master Mekano now, Agbayem and Co. The more they attack Master Mekano, the more they will make more money. I hope you know that. Because this line they have chosen now, we yield money. How is it going to yield money? The people in politicians that never want Master Mekano to do anything, we appreciate them. Do you understand? Platform people that are working for the government will even donate their platform to do what? For further explanation, so it can go viral. And that will not only, validate the sentence of Master Nnamdi Kanu to some people who may not understand the grassroots of the problem. They will use that to validate what Nigerian government have done in Master Kanu's case. And that may scare some people away from talking about Master Kanu's release. And not only that, somebody like Udele and their group that have been championing that Master Kanu buy people and do this and do that. People who may not have time to understand anything will start seeing that as if that is true. When I said that they need to come and they need to contact the US government, I know why I said so, even though some of us countered it. But I'm not here to argue with anybody. This is my own opinion. And that's why, this is my own belief, and that is where I stand. Okay? Contacting US government is not to that, what Master Kanu, your sins have been forgiven. No. My concern is Master Nnamdi Kanu, not Kanu. And let's not forget that, you see, they are talking about Hamas because the only attack they can unleash on Master Nnamdi Kanu is, he's spending money, he did this, he did that. Remember, immediately after the arrest or kidnap of Master Nnamdi Kanu, what did this man called Lai Mohammed? He said that Master Kanu was caught with women. Remember that he was going to Brazil and doing this and that. IPOB, Chinasaworo and group now are now trying to let the whole world know that Master Kanu, they just send people to care to do investigation. The Master Kanu own houses, expensive cars, that even he was he don't travel on commercial cabinet like a commercial plane, that he hired he rented a private jet like Davido, how Davido and all these big pastors do travel. Master Kanu will rent a private jet to go anywhere he's going. That even Kenya politicians are afraid of him, the way he spends money. For them to start saying it now, connect it to what Nigerian government said after the arrest of Master Nnamdi Kanu. Because you have to give a dog a bad name for it to bite the dog. These are DOS that refuse to give press release on what happened in Kenya. When the news broke out that Master Kanu has been captured, kidnapped in Kenya, PM is he's the person that Biafra listened to because of his platform was huge, very, very huge. Then sometimes 4,000 watching, 5,000 watching. If you know, you know. Those days, because every Biafran, like those in DOS and everything, listen to him. Then he was saying Biafran should not attack. He was even using his platform, telling Biafran, do not attack DOS. Wait for them, that we are waiting for DOS to make a press release to give up. Those guys, they are all muted. Today, they decided to on their mic. They now want to talk. They refused to talk when Masakano was in DSS. So when PM said, I will not listen to him from DSS, they said, oh, how dare you to say that? In DSS, PM said that he not, because he remember then, Masakano is in what they call strategic confinement. He's not allowed to talk to anybody. He's been isolated. Masakano was isolated, isolated in a DSS and all that. Meaning that PM was right. That any order come from there could be taken, can be perceived to be order from DSS. Now that he's not in prison where people can visit and book appointment and all that, that is better than when he was in DSS. Then DSS said, oh, we are no longer listening to him. You get why? you cannot just expect everybody to just overlook those things. So. Do you understand? You cannot just. How can you explain this to people that Mazina Modekano in DSS, okay, is allowed to give order and people will obey? But when he's not in prison, that is not order regulated like what he used to be in DSS. You now say no. Meaning that it is not about Masamonakan, it's about what kind of judgment, what kind of order. That determines which one you believe and the one you hope on. PM again was right. You see it now. I want us to understand that Ikenga mentioning names here, you can see the audacity to tell you names of people that is my boy, and Ikenga is not with Masamonakan. So meaning that for you, these people to be his elder brother and his boy, it simply means that those ones are not from Masamonakan. Came what PM said long time ago. Long time ago. If not that PM was here all this while, like 2021, 22, 23, I swear, that Kiji Masamonakan Poaro, Akalijia, Hakalija Poaro. Fakaligia Poaro. Olive, just how many months that PM is not here? They are running helter skelter. They were passionate, managing it, passionate, nothing, and now they can't patch it anymore. Everywhere don't scatter. And more is yet to come. Because there's nothing like let us do this and let us do that. And for those of them thinking that telling the whole world that Masakano this, oh, he impregnated 7 women, oh, he was this. That cannot bring Masakano down. That's a mistake they're making. You think people care about how many women he married? Like after knowing what I know about Masakano, you think you will come to me and begin to tell me that Masakano cheated on his wife? That's not my business. I'm not here because of Masakano's wife. Who wouldn't cheat on a woman like that? That is calling for your head. Who is that man that will not cheat on a woman like that? I'm not an advocate. I'm not promoting cheating. But God forbid to have a woman that is making friends with my enemy. No. That is height of it. Even that attitude is enough for a man to. You are pushing the man away to go out. That is not the fact. If you know, you know. I don't believe in cheating or double dating. I don't believe in that. But having a woman that prefer to be a good friend, loyalist to your lawyer, when your husband sacked the lawyer, you prefer to be a very close friend to that lawyer. You have not appeared in the court for that your husband. Despite everything, you forgot that you married a public figure. No matter what, you don't drag those kind of things outside. And for DOS to know, to the extent of knowing everything about you, about your family, simply means that your family is leaking. where can he leak if not from you? Is it matter that you will clear his throat and begin to tell the whole world, you know, I have children there, I have children there, which is, this is not actually valid yet, but whether it's valid or not, any Biafran that listens to that and begin to see Masakana as a whole person, you yourself, you don't have brain. If you have brain, you understand that your freedom is what all you need. Not the same people will tell you that IPOB is not family business. Okay, it's not family, but since you know that it's not family business, why are you discussing his family as an IPOB member? You are guest Kano and a member to talk about IPOB, to be in IPOB, or to even get involved in anything. Then, at the same time, you prefer to talk about Mazakano's relationship life and friendship and friend and that. So, who is actually dragging IPOB to the family? I don't know if you understand. So I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So it is good to talk about Mazakano's marital affair or his relationship and everything with his wife or with family or his children. It's good to talk about it as IPOB member, old member of IPOB, as you guys prefer to call yourself. It's good for you to talk about his marriage, everything, as IPOB member. Then you now turn around and begin to say IPOB is not a family business. Then why are you talking about his family inside the IPOB then? You don't stand one place and it doesn't make any sense. Now here,
he will not, because he have my senior brother. In those I have my trust. Is it not their money they are using? I don't understand. Don't go for them. Well over $1 million. No changes. He will go one plane. He just up
under normal circumstance, he can suppose they may go dinner post IPB. As in what? Just like Lazuba, he might go dinner Briggy or USB. As in what? Because position he can position Lazuba. All the same position, and then no inside, no because if I find inside you, what if I out there? But they are just inside anyway. You are inside doing what? I don't know. He's not supposed to know any amount in IPB. Do you know why they all pay attention to the money in the IPB? Typically Igbo people. That money, your own is to come in and to police money. Where is their money? Or how much do you make? Like what Lazarus used to do. Oh, PLA. Yeah, you're gonna get your room. They got the pay. Last oneki donate. Oh, nothing. But you want to know how they spend it. Not that you know and keep quiet. You know for you to know what to talk and start placing calls.
Look at the former, but my brother. But only can hear where the title for on your pattern. Or if you boundaries, keep boundaries. Don't allow people to come very. Who can talk about the former? Because a former were tired. He will not even pick your call. Talk less of all these fools. Now, Isaiah today. Can you find Isaiah? Because they have a free asset to Isaiah. Or if I had you about yes, but everybody can be the same. Isaiah no way in mere go where coordinate, make everybody all in peace. But what is happening? If an name today, but due to people who come is now and I told these people that look at their plans.
This Azayoba is the one always dragging PM's name, talking about him, trying to say this and say that then. This is Azayoba. Anyway, let's move on and forget about Owayogra.
Can you now report to my page? Can you now report to the post sitting on my page? HNS in the Ihe Basala Chaluga de Chugola. Can you now appear on my page? As in, I don't understand. Agwa ngi ni ihe gbasara m ga-egbu gị. Ifugo ka isi that's ka isi awugali onwe gị na. Etemola this morning Facebook gwa m that na report the post mere against you. Let's not na-ebuli gị. Iwe onye ala. Ibu onye ihori ihe nwaghị ihe. I nwere uche as old as ọ bụ that na enwa ihe. I kwesịrị ikwele onwe gị ugwu. Klaasịrị na kpuo. The post mere na agbago dị ya ala. Ọ na-agbago ala. Ihe m ga-apịa gị n'ọgba agwa gị Simon own will be better than your own. Mma anaghị n'iyi ebidobe m na report. I have not started na agbaghali. Mmecha gị ihe. By the time I am done with you, you will never remain the same. Emetube nga aka na awụyala. Emebe m post about you. Ị na-efegharị. I am just starting. Chinasa Nworu. Okay, in allows on my page, Abi. Page him is now a threat to you, right? Mmecha gị ihe ị ga-asa n'ọnụ. Gbachelum. Ibidobe report about. Nke a wu mbido. Mmeyipụ gị akwa. Ọ gị nwa. I will pull down your clothes. Mma agba gị ọtọ. Ọtọ ka m ga-agba gị. Mmeyisisi gị akwa zọsịa gị nsị n'afọ. Ka ị wee kwete that morning. Mma agwa gị ihe nji bụrụ achala ugo. Ọmụnwa. Ịbịa na my page ewuyala. Mmecha gị ihe ị ga-asa n'ọnụ. I wee bịa na my page na report. Na mkpọgbu faceless animal. Ka ihe ị na-ezogharị bring forth your face ị na report the post. Isi adọrọ gị ma ọ dị ka ala na-agba gị. Ọ dị ka ị nwara ihe. Sọsọ asịrị ka ị pastara ị nwara ife. Agwa ha gị eziokwu ị na-agbagharị. But Maazị Nnamdi Kanu have been going about tarnishing his image. Onweghị anybody na report to your page. Ị bịa na my page ibi wiyala koromoto man. Akwụna ike Chinasa ụmụ nwa. Chinasa ụmụ akwụna. Chinasa nworu ụmụ nwa ifere ada eme gị. Ị bịa na my page eyiyala. Chinasa nworu ụmụ nwa. Chinasa koromoto. Chinasa ụmụ akwụna. Chinasa nworu ụmụ akwụna. Chinasa opi ọkụ. Chinasa nworu ọkwa iko. Mmecha gị ihe I will pull you down. Ọkwa gị ọnụ ahụ nji wee glorify ego mgbe ni gara aga. Mmejikwa dasị m ọnụ pull ogi down. Mma azọrọ nsị pịata pịata ịma ha onye mgbe ịma ihe mmenwuru abi. Ịma na nwe capacity. Ị bịa na my page. Don't worry. Let's go there. Mmecha gị ihe ị ga-ebe ka eru. Ị ga-ebe akwa. Onge ipeka na. Edu too small. Go maka m ga-face now. Because ndị ọzọ ọbachịkọta ekwu ọnụ. Afụ m that na inwe grade 1 na asịrị. And I will face you squarely. Mmecha gị ihe, you will run mad forever. Ị ga-agba ala. Is a promise, not a threat. Chinasa koromoto. Chinasa nworu ụmụ nwa. Chinasa nworu ụmụ akwụna. Ọnọ na nwaanyị achọ nwaanyị. Koromoto nweke. Irresponsible vagabond in Kuwait. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is your problem. Onye oshi criminal. Ori ego tractor. Chinasa nworu onye oshi tractor ndị Biafrans. Chinasa nworu ori ego ESN. Ori ego ndị Eastern Security Network. Chinasa nworu vomit our money for us. Nye anyị ego anyị. Chinasa nworu onye agụụ. Oji IPOB eme onwe enrich. Ori ego IPOB. IPOB bụ your alpha and omega. IPOB bụ the reason why you are not working in Kuwait. Chinasa nworu lazy bone. Lazy man. Lazy bone.
Nke akwa hey, no be small. Anyway, like I said, I wish Nandi Anine na family to U-turn, understand? Just like what I said last time. The best thing to do is for them to come together, join USB government declared. With Master Kanu need to also make a pronouncement. I said it before. Ndị ifo keta pụta na Chinasa woro ife na afọ na that thing na-agụ fago kemgbe fa summit gị na ị ga-ajụ kedu ife bụ ife ahụ ife na-ekwu maka ya bụ ị na-anụ maka political solution, political this River Goddess, I see you. You're welcome. Ị na-anụ maka nke a, anụ maka nke ọzọ. Oh, let us go underground under this. They don't want to wait anymore because to them, Master Kanu is not coming out anytime soon. So their job now is to keep him there. Why? No, now all the guy and Master Kanu na surrender. If you know gonna go surrender now, you better surrender now. Surrender kafana na because no matter can surrender, ego ga apụta. Emoto ga-eso pụta. That nkwa afọ ekwe matter ga like iset ofa. Ya ka nke a ji etu mgbu na maazị Kanu Jos na-anala ego hapụzi anyị n'Europe. April m that video last time ọ hapụ anyị n'Europe. Because na ndị a bụ ndị join believing that na duru a na-anagoro n'Europe kịta na ọ ga na ife ọ bụrụ na ife apụtara na this country na ife ga-apụta na agitation. Ife ị na-ekwudo okwu Biafra ịbịa bụrụ board and concern. Ife tatin ga-apụta ebe a ka fakwa. And Ikenga achọ dị iche iche ịma ọ pụtasịrị na enwe political ambition. Ọ maka ife dị oge maka ndị ka believe that and not only this ndị ka believe na somehow because ana m afụ some people na abụna maazị ga na-apụrụ ihe ga-eweta Biafra or PM nke a ga-eme nke a ọzọ eme na ife a na-agbara ụzọ eteka owebeghị onye nọgide sọsọ ya ga weta freedom ọ na-ahịa ahụ ma ọ bụrụ na o metụ ga-adụbeghị adọmshọn o metụ ofu sọsọ na-ata ga nọ were freedom ọ na-egwe ndị a na ya ga-alụkọ ọrụ weta freedom mana ndị gị na ha na-aga ga weta freedom bụrụ ndị ahịa akpa ịma na ọ na-egbukwa oge so all those things na-aga na but time if filter chaff from the wheat you have to make sure ebe ịkwụ akụ ị ga-eme sure ebe ịkwụ akụ anyway.
Kedu ihe mere mmadụ ji akpọdo n'ọnụ? Kedu ihe o mere mmadụ ji akpọdo ya n'ọnụ? Ọ bụ ya bụ mbụ na-enwere ego? Ọ bụ ya bụ mbụ na-enwere ibe? Aya ole ole, aya ole ole. Kedu ihe mere mmadụ ji akpọdo n'ọnụ? Kedu ihe o mere mmadụ?
Okay. All my phones are down. Hey, Kadile. Everybody have seen it. If they can blackmail me, blackmail others, people that left the struggle in anger. Today they are blackmailing Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Think about it. If you are a wise person, think about it. Think about it. All the whole things they said that Simon Ekpa did was all lies. As a matter of fact, Simon Ekpa cut these people. Simon have never for one day blackmailed Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Never. Simon will be sent to compare to these criminals. All these vagabonds on our foot today in the as an inside DOS. That window bunch of criminals, blackmailers. They will bring you out na this struggle. Tag you what you are not. Bidone bugally your name. Now circulate everywhere. Awago people nda chugolo na this Biafra struggle. Obo na me siri kenda akane chubam. I'm telling you for free. Obo na ma that's na ma agba him mborogo na me nwe thick skin. Akana me gbakpuru. These people are a bunch of criminals, and when they steal something, they will tag you criminal. Simon was right all this long, all this while. Simon or handing Zama and non den Zama Hakahabo. Getting a say today, had you not tarnish the image of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. Now Mazen Nnamdi Kanu hapu hego IPOB kahamazwa. People that as in that was useless for 5 good years. People render are useless, now gossip, now blackmail people. They couldn't do their work as leadership. 5 good years, wega. Imagine we put 5 years out of your age. Can you imagine? The people's time waste here for nothing. And they may underground work. Look at it, underground work, how to tarnish the image of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. How to destroy him. The underground work, these cowards name all along, all this while, to tarnish the image of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. It said that na Simon had all rights. Simon had the rights, he no all along, all this while. He was right.
Thank you so much, John. John Okenwa. Is of them now. I come on just put you Thank you so much. Yes, they can see before now. This message is for those in fallback. They are not a fallback. In our water. Thank you. Yes, River Goddess. You guys on point. Thank you so much. Chidubemi Manuel, I see you are just coming, right? I greet you. I greet you. I come in Google card if no open John. Okay, one. Anyway, Chine got off the government. I'm on the way where you could check look with that second word. I know if you go on a Dutch, I carry as well. If in the Google, that time again ever. Madiga, Finland, got declared Biafra. They get because I'm an economy before. Some of these things are not now. If you do somebody like a is that so many thousands of millions of Biafra easy. But that now I have before. Okay, now what now? Yes, I have to go if you do that before. I'm not what I think now. All the Ghana kita na I'm asking why ganga di nambo. O mana keki amma. I the Ghana go di bo bo. Oye kan, you want to go I bana marriage. Or gacharo another marriage. Okay, make you experience. That is all you easy now. Equal, yeah, man, saga. Oh, if you got corner, I say, this person, they fortunately, we had a couple of him if you don't know. Or a blog, come on, experience. A blog. Madipota, Gacha Finland, thank you so much, Olujuwa God. I'm not coming in I watch I going to Ghana and all the stuff. I'm not never. Machibo say, I greet you, all of you in the comments, and I really appreciate you. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. God bless you, sir. Thank you for your support. May God reward you and meet you at the point of your needs. Iga Finland declare Child Biafra. Okay, now what? On a video. If you go ahead, Kaichi back. Imagine go for about that now. This person in Africa, Tata. Now, what Simon has been right all along. About can all speak get or follow that now here. No man and Simon the right all along. Imagine those you get that. Who many everybody will break him. Every open away mumu point here. Up mumu point now. Your mumu button. Press your mumu button now. He gave mumu that to my wish. Nam na ika na argument when I'm with the mumu button. Uta call the even when I get about that when I get the noto and I will I'm not calling no na lady call no now I the number. Oh we fem me ku. Oh even got what this abroad I get Olujuwa God. Or some kind of report na allow me feel cool, but don't try. I am not like that. What in the morning? Okay, now what? Ngwaze somebody like our brother here, John Okenwa, for example. John Okenwa, we got Taslumba, we me adaga, we me man, we conquer, we some again, or getting the mechanism. You want to go that kind of Ngwaze, the River Goddess, or Padia Chua, Mosum, hey, it look funny. Now, more coming in a Bamona. If you go up at the same thing, no, but a different reaction. Yeah, PM phone and be the woman Biafra phone and this. All the go na be on ụzọ ya nke akịta ọ machara ya na ya bụ ife aka ọ ga-abụ ifụcha n'ife na-eme kịta odoga ya that na ndị a na-ekwuche na USB gọọmenti nọ USB chata nọ USB charger and then nọ nke ọzọ ife aji kwuo dosis fawa ife fawa na target ịghọtago we find target to you now. You are not targeting that. That's why you are saying the truth. You got to go. Yeah, we are never get Oma can PM had someone the right all along. She knows. But talk now this is where my friends are, you know. No, boy go come, but she does a word or we can something. You know, Biafra can raise money for me. I'm not sure that somebody may do that kind of thing to me. Makagene, Omaro, your money at the number. What again? Personal interest. Personal interest. If you CRC, But all this mushroom get-together committee, they are all selfish individuals. The truth, farmer, deep down their soul, the Biafra declared is the only way. But they don't want to agree because now the thing now is not moving in line with what they actually want, their own personal gain. Chief say na never with a personal gain. Each and the US government every month are they're gonna catch them more like it. Oh, it's not that I don't need the money. I need the money also. Money gala kikuni fe merema. You what again? Ife merema because about me about otas we need to go ọtụtụ n'ime anyị na-ebe a we need ego. You what again? Everybody, so anyị chapụta wupụta aka ịnara ego. My brothers, my sisters, I got choka could get the money. What will get go? Oh, each day gonna way gonna safeba. Or you not to if get na somebody send the super chat or carry report he send the super chat, that kind of thing. Each now they super chat but money for all the stupid. Whatever come nagana. This lady na here since that time, all along that PM has been right. Simon Ekpa was right. And all that. Gonna knock out some mataketa all mabu. Come on, everybody with their own breaking point. If I now another the woman can more the can is her own breaking point. No, I can't take it anymore. Do you understand? So don't see it as she's just realizing it. All the quite different when they believe in naturally now take it time, matter their brain each and have to the right direction. Or when they like that. Man, all these media warriors of the US, starting from Methuselah, Darlington, Paul Achebe, name them. Those ones know the truth can be. If you say Dinta, Abu Madabuch, in case I graduate in mother Subia, or if as I over, if Biafra child watching it, that is. Their own breaking point, Obo na mu amwetere gonji maga join no. No, I got scatter everything. No. I following their own breaking point of that money. If you have a pushing as a war now, a go on the government manager the drop of another gap now. Able she hega well, they will break out and begin to search as a war too. That is their own breaking point. That is their own target. Everybody with their own finishing line. If labor, no matter what is going on, I don't care, but don't touch this side. PM breaking point in PM. I cannot stand you people lying to Biafrans and using the name of Biafran to enrich yourself. Or breaking point in here. Oh, God, chapter 2 and bam. These guys are a bunch of criminals. Oh, yeah, I say, Naiji Biafra to us a breaking point in here. This actually looking at now. Her own breaking point, now, I cannot be here. You guys elevate yourself above mass number the kind. Yes, I can keep quiet. You can lie to Biafra, you can pretend as long as you're giving my own share, but it's for mass number the kind now. No. Some of you may say, yeah, but that is good because mass kind is no, listen. That is not all. All like a mass number the kind, all like the truth. Because the taproot of what Masakana stands for is truthfulness. All these allegations, if I find some people don't remember. Allow more available to listen to this kind of junk. Like I said, what I said when I started this live broadcast, I told you, I am not playing this because I don't know what to play again. No. Why I'm bringing it to us because the same thing that happened is what is going on now. Unfortunately, it is happening now in the era of DPM. And by this time last year, not last year, 2024, okay, DPM amara na ya ga-abụ DPM. Omara na ya ga-abụ no ya ga na the seat. No ya ga na-ezi press release. Omara that no ya ka ga na-eche ka okwu ka amara ebe a ga-aga na ife na-eme. Manas na brede yiridike. Kama no brede keji zamazo ibudike. The moment PM was arrested, that moment, DPM Ophelia and Oma, the tax ahead. What did she do? She's not started. She's not run and gun high. She's not started, running helter skelter or to hide or looking for a helping hand. No. What did she do? She motivated herself and faced the challenge squarely without any iota of fear. Any of them tell you that DPM is just out, none are forced, none are opposed. There's a video that I played 2 times already on this channel. That video is enough to reset some of you directing Thomases in Fallback Republic and those running. Oh, some of them, they are sending me voice notes. Mazi, is it true that DPM said that PM should be the one defending himself? If that might play this year, I have not even responded to that our brother. Keep on sending voice notes with some question that is very, very shocking. Oh, Mazi, what is DPM? What is our DPM? They will even tell you our, so that you can. I will not think if you don't call her our, I will feel bad to reply. I don't understand. Our DPM, what is she doing now? In Kengas, some I just ignore you because you have to make yourself available to learn. Don't expect me to answer you some senseless question. Okay? DPM did not just take the challenge. She stepped in fully. Like I was saying, before the convention, there's a broadcast they made on X where Akpara was there, Eggman was there, Ugo 247 was there, all this media, they were all there. And guess what? I think did he come? I'm not sure. But PM was the one there, everybody, even Success was there. They were all there, dusting table for her to broadcast. She broadcast and everything happened until she told them that your time is up. We have to bring new ministers that are going to take charge and all that. That is their breaking point. They started saying, "Oh, she's not even the leader. Oh, what just happened? Oh, she was forcing herself." And that is the lie part of the whole. That's where they lied, deceiving you because of that selfish interest. So I'm saying it because of what Achalogo said here. Listen, just pay attention to her.
There were a bunch of criminals when you have pastor in the Nzama group of Nzama. Well, 5 years ago, go to their various platforms. Nehe Isaiah Yoba ne sister Isaiah Yoba. Why are you locking your comment section? If you ask question, if you need answers, why are you locking your a leader? Condescended this low. Now, but I thank God that not today they are all living in old glory. Yes, I said what I said. Yahane lives in now with old glory. I get them before no be property. Not at all. I get them before I brought property. At all. When I get see how I can even down under about gossipers, failures, people that failed. They failed their leader. They failed Biafra people. They failed the movement. They failed in all ramifications. Go and check. Simon on the right all this while. But that is story for another day. If we get 5 good years, they wasted 5 years to gossip today. To gossip. They will do 5 years now. Gather and say I get Jipu Mazen Nam de Canada. Namazen Nam de Cano Diego Hane go designer Fendi. Just imagine. No Diego Haje Club. No Diego Hago Moto. No Diego IPOB go no. Just listening to people all over her leaders. Achikolo mwa chikote ekwo that's on a normal ground and that was on a village na egbu akwu.
Some of them many fan na fakara wano eche bosaga bata Christmas. Fan na ku na their parents. Fan na bata na faketa go for neighbor ekpere na their own village. Water chan brosi na fa. Some of them can be. Masna can hafa. Nina, Makifo neighbors, Nina, go on, Subuneta, and Benani. Makifo, like, no matter their age, your mother, your father about those. Makifo, Maki trauma name, a woman 28. I don't accompany the gonna put those 28 people. But can able to take fat yourself. The man don't get to Kagi. We can I gonna be fine. I con and anything. Keep Ibo and a woman in a social. Maggie for give now scum mother boy or listen, mother skeleton, listen, mother bottle banana. If you get those now, I'm working one man, Igbo men. Yes, they can now, ndị South Africa na ndị na-eme na fabụ igwe eze ndị Igbo one eze ndị Igbo this and this. Some of our men today honestly are a very big problem to our land. Serious one because if you came in and show working and never work at show as a dike you got full work before as a dike man never was dike one dike on a guy or if you are in the midst of men never working. I thought as a dike maybe do more working. Why had happened a dike, right? Man, I won't work on the guy within one. The men, can make cocoa the boot. No cocoa working, if what if you have working. Gap at a question without a go and the upright. Upright about Queen and faces kind of declare we have uprightness. The way you live your life. How many of them we find as also? What if it's madam working? Okay, we find as also. Come on, me leave it dona. Na I go more. I can wait it dona for Madonna. That is what men do. Madonna, na chogo de febe. Nda bone na ebu usu sacha. Ebu usu sacha. Oya bo mo one. So ebe ka ga force the dike. Ni ife dike da. Keba get what as dike one. In the fancy with big jaw and big arms. A bad gym and a bend dodge, a budget gym and a cook half full stop on also a boy such in Gasik. Did a boost such. Oh, ya kiga, I have a big from dike one.
Achikola harajo n'ime DOS as in Hajida was time no waste. Jide people's money no destroy. And they cannot sacrifice anything. This same man has been fighting for all of us.
I'm happy no crusade because that is my own stand. If I give up on a just okay, kita fan channel we fan of one. Or he for wine, no kind of some of them on one. They can some of them doesn't know some of them. Get away again. Get a wine. Master Mecano, how many years? Go on, get that. Or malo why all this wine. Right? On one email. Magagene, get with the freedom. Mano working Monday, didn't get all the other. Now, much outside, I took every wine, and then I will take the money, oh, just the money. You don't have go yet, now I want it, couldn't we now want a blue flag. Each and does a blue flag, we gas cake, we get in a year with you. Each and does a blue flag, all our important streets of Europe. Job buffet, then the cultural way, then we just save to be a hotel, hotel. He gets you a ballon dot to call the back, but not one. We full to good in there. Master Magano, oh, no, the event, not the event. Black he broadcast every day, face a challenge, face a man. Can you find a codifa? Nda no with the master number the all this while. We'll be ready place a bounty on them. PM John, I said, no, you COVID, not just about Tobosa, not just about Tobosa. How many bounties am I going this year? And promises. That these people that are very, very senseless. You got to make money. Oh, if you give a national government that contact that you promise, change if you go sell. Promise a game, I believe on there. Not go your own AB belief, no, they go with the ultimate. Man, if it's like one calf of you will keep standing equation and okay, you know, my brother, my ZWK, you will get a cricket. Maybe the fly yourself, it tabo gonna be back at God of our land again when no son, no my some of them will say, hey, God, about if you could so can me. ọbụchọkwa eziokwu ọ bụ ndị because a na ndị iche na Nigeria gọọmenti believe fa na-ajụ afa na-enye mmadụ na ya a sị na Ọnịcha na-enye mmadụ ya n'ife ihe ga-akwara ahụ ha ga-enye gị amara ma ị mere jikwa ya iplesi ego n'isi gị bife emewe PM da with aka ya dị ọcha fa pịa ịgba anyị okirikiri nefu na olu ebe a ga-ejide this guy akpọ ya si ya ka anyị rụkọ gị bịa ka arụ ka anyị pịawa na mmadụ ka n'azụ ọsị achachachacha both udele contacted him ka ole Biafra na Lagos na ya ga-eyi ya kọntaktị anọ ọkwụ kwuru ya PM kwuru ya na ifugo mana ndị nke a bụ na mmadụ ka ga ya just give up fea ya kpagide ya ka nkata nkịta ha fa na-abazi ya ka mba the best way na bụ na ọ na-ere n'echiezi n'okokoro this guy kwuru okwu asara makwado m onye ọhụrụ ife afọta m na-afụ pichi ya ndị nwa na-eweta Biafra ekwu okwu jụwazi ese ma onye a ọfụrụgogo Maazị Nnamdi Kanu pichi let alone iwokwu with Maazị Nnamdi Kanu alụmegwe
achịkọrọ ụmụ mmadụ keji all this while na-eme all hell amaghị na bunch of mokapụ juru na DOS welu my precious time na fight an innocent Simon Ekpa n'ọlụ onwe si na m na-anọchitere ụmụ vagabonds ọgụ. Today look at how they are paying us back. They are paying Maazị Nnamdi Kanu for suffering for us with gossip, blackmail. No dinner long 23 years. No mere no mere. Just listen to them. Or ihe ha take the 5 years wee gather. Ihe abụọ had their achievement. When you ask them their achievement, he will be iwe. Dede ebe esemokwu mụ na ha na mpụtasị ha. Kedu ihe unu mere achieve for the past 5 years? Because ebe ifo m abụ m a critical thinker. You can't just fool me. Adịbe ekpe. But once I mpete n'ebe nọ, that is the end. Adịbe ekpe. Ana m ọ bụ ihe ọbụla mfụ ka m na-ekwere because I reason. My father mụ ihe ọ zụsiri anyị ike. Yes. If for something else, you dare not be moved by what you see. You think, you ask questions. Because we have been talking. Imagine one boy for 5 years. Is it a child's play?
If I made this letter against PM, I could remember okay, Papaya one. She contacted PM. Or the culture like something. Not the key for you, maybe no, or like you go name and involve or something like that. Or a bug is with that's because you are not actually 100% innocent too. Let's all be real. But I'm happy. You realize nah, enough is enough. Let us be frank. But at least you understand that now you don't need to continue that way. I give it to you. And I'm not against any of you. I'm even wishing that you guys will now come in fully. Forming another group is not simply it's going to show that you guys are not serious. You don't need to form another group. And this goes to the lawyer of Maazị Nnamdi Kanu and Maazị Kanu's siblings. You guys should come together and talk. That's why I say reach out to the USB government. The seat for Maazị Kanu is always there, always vacant. When he comes in, when he comes out, Maazị Kanu owns his rightful place. Ndị ji njem a nọ na isi kịta abụrụ ndị gbogbo ya, they are not jobless. They are not looking for notice. These are people that are their name is up there already. Okay? Ọbụla aza Yoruba, ọbụla agbaghị, ndị abụ ndị na-ekwu ndị na-arrange ahịa na n'ime container. So what do you expect actually? Than professionals nọ na jide this man check pụta na everything ka agbaka aka ọnụ. I just want you to see it that way. Unu echesi na Simon Ekpa no ife abife ji wee push o kwa unu gun na support ife ọjọọ for all these 5 years. If you say enough should be enough now. Can't you see this thing? Is it difficult to see? I know you are very smart, you are educated, you should know better. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na ife pụrụ ime wu na-eko ga-esu wede. What if you do that for this thing? It cannot be done to be here. If what the worst mistake anybody will make now, you repeat this kind of class again. How long the manage flag in Biafra naga? How many beret you wear? How many colors you wear? Or how many shout? Your profile matters. Profile matters. In another alpha, in the phenomenon, they cannot, start learning Master once Master is out. It's not possible. Love Master, like I said, even though I have some problem with you guys in the past, it's not about me. I'm just saying, I'm just speaking my mind, okay? Don't mind me. Whether I like you, I hate you, it doesn't really matter. I don't have anything, okay, to disturb you guys. Methuselah, Achalugo, and Darlington, what happened has happened. But coming together now is the ultimate. How can you come together? We can start from, by commenting, and you know what to do. No, if you feel it, what if you feel it on there? To me, as long as you claim that you know what to do now, you cannot see. Coming together is the key. Don't tell me you are going to Eggman. Don't tell me you are going to Imam Madab. Do not try it. I don't want to go get your own. That one. If you guys go to be honest with you, if you guys go to get, honestly, I not that I will see that you guys don't have bread. I don't want to think about it. I don't want to think about it. I don't want to think about it. Let me not bother my brain with that. I don't want to think about it. But I'm telling you guys genuinely, like me, I don't have anything to gain. But we cannot also gawe ba na arụ agụ mba ịghọtago imam wote mkpụrụ agụ ga hụ ya n'ọkụ ka iwere ya ọsa onye ụzọ mba ọ ga-atị ịghọta ebe okwu m na-aga. So you people should understand, do the right thing. It's not difficult to do. Not difficult. Anybody talking about 100 men, the 100 men is already in USB. That 100 men you guys are talking about is already in USB. And the best to do, because USB does not belong to anybody. You guys are actually part of USB. All you need to do is to join hand and get it done. That is where Masakano belongs. That thing that Masakano represents is in the USB government. That thing, Ima, which is truth, uprightness, government of the people, every voice matter, accountability and diligence is there. Apollo committee of friends. If I call my own committee today, you guys, all my committee will pay me, and isn't it? But we are talking about government that when you see it, when you hear it, and again, a government in a book. I'm just making this because that is what I feel that is best. It is best to do. I don't know about some of us, but time will tell, because I don't know if I'm gonna send the link, because I think there's a program coming from USB today. Today is what, right? Today should be Wednesday, right? This is Wednesday. What's today's date? Yeah, Wednesday. So there's a program that is expected. I don't know. I will check. I will confirm if they're gonna host it or not.
I ain't on this media for 5 good years. Now war now no that is now come on then now when kejiro.
Margaret, my name is Okunan.
Mechi ihe niile apụta wee bụrụ na ndị anyị na ha na-achụ anụ bụ ụmụ anụmanụ. Njụọ ha kedu ihe emela chief for the past 5 years ejidere onye ndu na m chọrọ ịma that na anyị mepụtara ebe ono say that no na underground work ekute dibia mmiri fe n'okpo ya ka anọ ruo taa ebido kọwa ọnụ from eke ọnụ na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kpara Achalugo na phone na Achalugo mụ na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kpara na phone na ebe na be nne gị ka ọ na ebe na the things nna ekwu na mmadụ na-agwa m ya ịnụkwa m na onye ndu n'otu a m si ekwu with full courage na gosigo that na onye ndu kpọọ m gwa m something
na mụ na Maazị Nnamdị ka na-ekwugo na fon na ha dị shọ na onye ndu akpọgo m. Just imagine onye ndu chọcha nnọọ onye ọ ga-akpọ nnọọ na distrọgụ ọfụrụ ọbụla achala ugo, ọ bụrụ mụ nwa ka onye ndu ga-akpọ n'ebe ka o weta fon nwa na o ji akpọ m. Ndị a buru my name na-akwụgharị ebe niile na-akọ ihe juru ha ọnụ. Tata ihe ha ji mechie okwu bụ na onye ndu bụ onye oshi, na onye ndu bụ nka. Remember when you was going to people's DM asking for money to buy credit for broadcast to fight Simon Ekpa? Achalugo, since you was expelled from IPOB family, nnegu meme expel, nnago bial meme expel because na IPOB boyo. Come on, support from this page. Ano manu in agwa nnegu, she should remember when she was begging for card. Ano mpama nwuranwu. Nke float iche no mmadu. Come on, zuzurupu ebe osiso. Mwoka nwuranwu de na mmadu. Ozu ịbịa na my page eko asịrị ya ahụ gbukwe gị. That gossip gbukwe gị dị nwoke anwụfụrụ nya mere iji wee feluo zogharịba na Europe a ga-ebu gị ebubu nata from that Europe polybag ka ị ga-eji nata from there. Achalugo, remember, look at ihe dị mkpa bịara ude na my platform. Achalugo, remember when you were going to inbox to yes, did I beg you? Ayonugo nga ego o nwere ụbọchị m bịara naghị ego onwere na ụbọchị m bịa na anụmanụ dịka gị ego. Achalugo naghị na flef irijuo n'afọ na inwere akwụkwọ na Europe m ga-eji anaghị ego. Inwere akwụkwọ you get document. Gịnị ka ị na-alụ all 170 euro a na-akwụ na every month ka 150 euro a na-akwụ gị ka 100 euro a na-enye ụnụ every month ndị na-enwe ha akwụkwọ enwe ha ọnya ka m ga-abịa na gị sọpụrụ gị pụọ ebe ọsịsọ na-ezogharị n'Europe dịgị ka ime ga-arrive. Come on, dị ga-adụrụ adụrụ pụọ ebe ọsịsọ siri ga-adụrụ adụrụ pụọ n'akụkụ ma esi onye oshi idiot. Do I look like onye na-eri adụrụ? Chenamsu na-eme nzuzu n'Europe. Come on, get out from here. Okay, if all people ego biri Simon bụ a saint. If Simon Chukwu ga-agọzi Simon ebe ọbụla ọnụ. If Simon Ekpa, God will bless that guy. God will bless Simon Ekpa. Na me dey talk am. Chukwu gọziere Simon Ekpa wherever he is today. Nya jecha pụta. Simon Ekpa jecha pụta. Chukwu gọzie Simon Ekpa ebe ọbụla ọnụ nwa njọkụ. Chukwu gọzie that guy. Simon bụ a good guy indeed. He is a good guy. Simon Ekpa bụ a good guy.
Wow.
Chineke gọzie onye ọbụla sị na Chineke ama ngọzi Simon Ekpa onye ahụ ga-eji ya na zelu mmiri. Maka Chukwu. Simon bụ ezigbote nwa Chineke na gbafụ na ịpụta ese mmụọ ejikwa gba nwa nnụnụ nnefe Maazị Nnamdị Kanụ ka unu jizi ata ncha unu gangri up.
That is me nke mụ forgive man ọ na-adịkwa very easy, very very easy. Ịghọtago nke a na ọ tọkacha ma that is the best video this week. I'm telling you. That is what it should, because if ịmara mmadụ dress, I'm telling you, ịmara mmadụ dress. If all the if look at na-eme na or ịmara mpụtasị gị na ọ bụrụ na he hate as a person, no if ọ na-eme imagine agwa gị fe ịdị kwuda him because I don't know him much. Mana if o mere ka nna afụ ka if o make like na you suppose ikwu ebe a ikwuru ebe a ọgwụ I don't know him in person. How can I be condemning him as a human being? Man, oh my, I can even now offending mother does. I get good on my reaction because I get my black and camera capture. What a good at it now. He made mistake with any mistake. What if it can? If you folk now, I'm going to know with this money, but like now, not body on. I'm one of the guy about another somehow. And someone, ma. Bon, I'm the person, but I'm not one-on-one or whatever. Someone going like Ifome, na Ifome. Oh God, someone now forgive so easy. The same thing with Master Mother can. You know why that definitely be easy forgive? Very easy. Put that now. The assignment the fan on ya. This kind of side talk, I believe I need it. I believe I need it. Man, the worst part, and I didn't do that. I can't catch you for and I Jaffa easily. Let's assume you're not going to KPM man. You don't put more attention. DPM now. If you don't know, if you there from Bamafa, In next 4 years, in 5 years now, actually gonna shower prayers, praises, CPM now. In next 3 to 4 years, some of them therefore now makuche all the fuck ha konkwon egbe gbagbo nefa na nafa na ga-apụta na sekpula na ọ ga-adị nata ngozi na beze na mma. Are you getting it? Sometimes eji na art na n'ịmacha you may make a very big mistake. God make it difficult to come back. God make it very, very difficult to come back. Because that is what it should be. I'm listening to this for the first time.
We will gang with Simon now. That is Kana Ununi. No worry now. Oh, you find your more. Thank you for joining. Chris Felix, how body now? Chumibo watching. Ozemene, thank you for joining, Jarina. Now I just see you now. I hope that's a honor chamo coupon. I don't bath this night, but body still they hurt me. Forget. Ndajeje gang up with ex-expelled members. Chozena kai. I beg. But azena chozie ka ha bia pull anya down. Forget. Useless set of people na-enwere conscience. Lezi pull. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ko no chọrọ ịzọkwasa ọkpa n'isi wee rigoro. With which ihe anụnwa get unu nwe capacity ụmụ anụmanụ nwụrụ anwụ ị na-abịa agwa anyị na ejikpe gbanwe as in how ungrateful unu dị. Ọ bụrụ na egburu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu egbu na Kenya, ihe aka unu ga-apụta bịa court today. So because he's a freedom fighter, for that reason onwezi right ijegharị. For that reason onwezi right he flex his life. Because na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-achị anụmanụ dịka gị. Onwezi any right ibi ndụ ya ịmagonu je club gba egwu wave his stress onwezi the right because na ọ bụ your leader. Ụmụ
nwoke na-asị na-ekwusitesi nwunye na mmadụ ka n'ọnụ ya. Why suppose ọ bụ na Maazị Kanu na-emefu ọgba uri ya ga-apụta ọ bụ na ọ gbajuo ya is too much than hapụ ụmụ Yeremia ya iberibe ọjọọ da kwuru na ọgbawo kamera na-akọ tu n'ọnụ fa na achalu ga-akọmgị na azụ na nke a na ịgbanịka na nke ịgbanịla ọfụma long may continue ịkwụsịkwa na ya bụkwana na imeche kịta na macha ọ daghịkwa ha nachibag mee na ịdị sọrọ
manụ nwụrụ anwụ. Some of you nna unu zụchara ohi ma alụ na villages unu onwe onye na-asụta ya n'ude. Ọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka ya na-abịa Chinasa bịa gwa anyị that name behind Nworu. Bịa gwa anyị the meaning of that Nworu. Ọ bụ na ịbụ outcast bịa gwa anyị the meaning of Oru. Anụmanụ nwụrụ anwụ ị na-abịa that is you are defining Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Some of you nna unu gbachara akwụna mee alụ dị iche iche onwe onye na-ekwutie n'okwu. Nna unu bụ daazị anya afọ ihe dị na skirt onweghị anybody na-asụta ya n'ude. Ọ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka unu bịara iteto gwa anyị the history of your father. Come out and take this microphone and tell us the history of nna unu niile. Ụmụ anụmanụ Chukwu bụrụ ọnụ. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ problem ọnụ. Chukwu ga-agbacha unu ọkụ. Mekona no worry. Unu necha anya ọ bụrụ onye ndu ka unu ga-eji wee ta ncha. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka unu ga-eji wee yi ala. Ụjọ ada atọ unu na n'oge shame. Ihe adịghị unu n'ihu. Onweghị any of you nwere single shame. Mkpụrụ shame adịrị unu n'ahụ. You want to talk? Ị na-abịa agwa anyị okwu. Achala ugo remember onye ohi nwụrụ anwụ. Criminal na-ezogharị n'Europe. A ga-eji polybag fọkọ akwa gị. That's a tụdata na zoo. Repeated that no name. Eji that's ọ bụ na eji polybag fọkọ akwa gị. Ngwa gị okwu next time I believe na. Ị ga-anụ ụdị ya. A ga-eji polybag fọrikọ akwa gị fọrikọ fọkọta ya fọkọta. Fọnata ebe anyị ịbịa gbuwe akwụ. Ọ dị n'ọgbọ gị na-egbu akwụ na East. Unu gbafusi unu na Europe. Ka onye ga na-egburu my mother akwụ. Ụmụ anụmanụ nwụrụ anwụ. Ị na-abịa echetelu nne gị remember when you used to go to my inbox onye na-anaghị ego nwa ịtarụ ji ego one chukwu kpọkwa aha ọkụ don't mind them ụmụ anụmanụ nwụrụ anwụ maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka ụnụ na-abịa define ụnụ na-abịa daazị akọwa onye ọ bụ kọwaa life o biri ebi nke nna ụnụ na-ebi onye na-akọwa nke ụnụ na-afọtọkọ na-agwọtọkọ so many of you be with akwụna today in Europe akwụna si Libya jee Europe so many of you be
so I don't know, so I have going to bring your mom Europe. So because I couldn't say about the guy in Europe, you're going to bring my mother. Hey, nah, I swear. Oh no, they know. Oh, when they were grade 1. Wow.
with ụmụ akwụna onwe onye na-ajụ
Because imagine a child going to La Zuba. Because imagine a child going to La Zuba where beef like. Okay, interesting. Hey God, I beg. What's that?
jogodatem onwe onye na-ekwute ekwute ọ maazị Nnamdi Kanu ka ụnụ chakwasịrị anya simply because na o mepere ụnụ anya that we want Biafra chi wee fogu n'anya iwee fụ maazị Nnamdi Kanu fụbụrụ all of a sudden ya mara ihe edigo wise ego ị na-ajụ ajụjụ ya onye ọmaka gị ka eji tụta that money is it because of your influence ka eji wee contribute to that money ka ekwana ego ụnụ na-atụ 10 euro 15 euro na onye abụ ego 10 euro 15 euro nye abụ ego onye ka unu ga-eji bịa wetara maazị Chineke kpọkwa unu ọkụ kịtịkpa ama njide mma ji chekwa unu isi dị acha you no get joy before nko so many of them be with akwụna every night nwunye ha epiopụ je na-agba akwụna ọgbagide akwụna agbata ego na kpute onde na-abịa define the life maazị Nnamdi Kanu biri ebi na Kenya all people na-abịa ekwu okwu onye ndu people kettle calling pot black people zuchara oshi nna ha zuru ohi ma alụ dị iche iche na village ha n'obodo ha so many of them asụpụrụ ha asụpụ so many of them ka nne ha gbagidere akwụna nwụọ na hotel ebe o jere ịgba akwụna but onwe onye na-ekwute n'okwu I know so many of their stories amacha m akụkọ ha so many of them mere alụ committee alụ mee alụ dị iche iche I don't want to talk but the day of reckoning is fast approaching pụtazie chala anya tie ebe maazị Nnamdi Kanu nọ ka ipuru ha down that na ha ekwuru that na Igbo enwe eze ọbịa na mmezu because na ndị Igbo adịghị enwe eze ya ka unu ji gaa ngi ama nnọọ ihe unu na-akwụgharịrị ama nnọọ ihe kala unu obi unu ji ejizide ya ka unu kpụọ ya n'ala ka unu kpụọ ugwue n'ala ka people zọọ ya ọkpa but anyị ese mba na ọma mme you no go happen kama unu ga-akpụ onye ndu n'ala kama anya kpụtọkọ unu Chineke ga-agọzi Simon ebe ọbụla nọ because na onye abụ the only guy kpụrụ unu isi Simon mechara unu ihe unu kpete o sendikwa na unu meseji ọ pụta oburu mmanya n'aka na-agba egwu na-abụ unu ike unu a na-ezogharị ka ndị mere alụ gịnị ka unu mete nwụrịsa unu epuru nwụse mana ekpada na ọ bụrụ onye ndu ka unu ga-epuru danụ ala na-agba unu na-awụcha nchakpo jele nwanyị dogwu nwanyị ka abọdụ nke ituma afa na ihe nna agwa unu bụla tụna these people could not put Simon Ekpa down. Simon, no. Single Simon, unu abụrụ onye ndu ụwa niile na-recognize ụwa niile ma ama. Alaka unu edigicha na grave unu. Jegodu nu pull Simon Ekpa down. Oru mgbe finish government ime Simon Ekpa arrest, unu bịa claim the glory. Otu unu kara isi wee claim the glory in Israel. Awu unu na unu generate incompetent fools ndị noise makers. Ha na-ezogharị ka ndị mere alụ. Now, jide 5 good years waste here for nothing. Na class. Amanu uche mefo na agwa ihe ha ga na-eme. Uche that's anụmanụ uche okafọ mefo na anabeghị abata ete benne na akwụgharị na London. Ya na agwa ha ihe ha ga na-eme. Ya na obi atụrụ. Ọ ha bụ ndị na-agwa ha ihe ha ga-eme. Etu a ga-eme wee pụrụ maazị Nnamdi Kanu down ha kwelu. Today they are living in old glory. I get them before no be property. I'm gonna go sit down for poto. We not send on a message. They will all regret they are regretting already. Then Kakbaro Muhammad Abbas, Napotakwa Buga. Okwamazi Nnamdi Kanu bụ the man to Ojiaga, Napotakwa Kokwo. Napotakwa Kwo ka ndobie ya akpa amụ. Dazi ka ndori ya mkpụrụ amụ dobie. Isi adọrọ ya ma ọ na-awụ ya ala. Ọ na-abịa eweta maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọnụ. nyata acham again, that is ka ebe ya onu. Ọ na-apụ ala. Anụmanụ nwụrụ anwụ na-amaghị aka nri, ofeke na-amaghị mgbe ekere nke ụkwa. Ụmụ anụmanụ Simon jidere place ya one place, kpesa ha ofu akụkụ, move ahead. Unu ọma ego one Simon Ekpa mekiri na this movement. Unu ọma as in the things Simon Ekpa mere achieve. Unu na-amagharị jijiji. Pụta ịkpọ mụ, gwa m ihe m ga-apụta bịakwu. Ihe niile a ka m kwuchalụ today, unu kpọọ m onye ọjọọ. Attack niile m na-eme Simon Ekpa, unu na-agwa m bịa mee ya. No be una dey tell me, una no use me. Ọkwa unu na-asị m Achalugo come out n'ọgụ ka enidiri na bịa were Igbo ka igwe ya ndebe anyị ka ime nke a ka ime. After ka m mechara ihe niile gị ka unu ji kwụ m ụgwọ kwa blackmail. Unu wee nsizie na m ama mmezi, unu blackmail bụ m. Gịnị selu mụ na unu na mụ sị na m ama mmezi Simon Ekpa attack that I am done. Unu buru my name bugharịba, buru my name na-agagharị na-akọtọ m till today. Ọkwa selu mụ na unu ma akọtọzi Simon Ekpa ebe ọ bụ na unu na-eme Maazị Nnamdi Kanu expose ihe anụnwa disobey. I will not fight Simon Ekpa again. Hapụzienụ m. I am done. Unu jụ say I must do. Mụ na unu hehere till today. Ọkwa bụ the blackmail unu na blackmail Achalugo. Any small thing acha China who is bankrolling Achalugo. Ọkwa bụ the problem. Anụmanụ nwụrụ anwụ. Come on Sisurugu pụ ebe ọsịsọ. Doshi. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ Chineke kpọkwa DOS ọkụ. Ketekpa gbarikwa ehi ile di ya. Ebe ọbụla ha ncha na ọkụ gbaa ha. Ọkụ gbaa the whole DOS members. Chukwu kpọkwa unu niile ọkụ from A to Z of you. Ketekpa gbarikwa unu nchile. Ebe unu anwara ife. Unu na-ayị ala. Ketekpa gbakpọsịchakwa unu ncha anya. Niile bụ members of DOS na-edisobey Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Otoro gbawụsịchakwa unu niile. Ndị oshi. Criminals everywhere. Unu chọrọ iri ipe ebe unu arụrụ. Lazy bones. Ma ndị na-ele magi, ma ndị na-ele ose. Gịnị ka onye na-ele magi na-eme na DOS? Ka njugodo unu. Gịnị ka onye na-ele red oil na-eme inside DOS? I want to know. Ama m ebe esi chịkọta ụmụ ofeka. Gịnị ka onye ndu mekata chịkọta ụmụ ofeke gha n'ime DOS? Otu a ka esi eme struggle. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu will be so happy seeing you being so strong. That's why I called you Ijele nwanyị, odogwu nwanyị. My dear, onwe ihe anya fụrụ gbaa ọbara otu ọbụla anya da ga-ene. These people are in amamihe mụ na ha anyị na ha jelu during the time of Ekperima. Simon Ekpa, sorry, he's no longer Ekperima. Simon bụ ezigbote nwa Chineke, he is no longer Ekperima. Ọ ihe bụ the blackmail Chinasa Nworu butere bụ Simon Ekpa n'isi na-akpọ ya Ekperima. Were na that guy dị innocent. Ifune ya ha buru this blackmail na-ebugharị. At the end of the day, Simon Ekpa dealt with them. You need to see how they used to come and beg me. Achalugo, come out na imego video today. Bịa na ihe ị ga-ekwu. Achalugo, si ota place ya. Si ota kpọọ ya afa. Ihazi ka a ga na-akpọ ya. Chinasa Nworu told me. Mụ bido kpọba Simon Ekpa agent provocateur. Mụ kpọba ya nọ ihe m ga na-akpọzie. Gịnị ka data anụmanụ na-agwarọ people? Onye o jidere na ọkpọ gị na phone ọkọtọ Simon koenu kwana. Just ka ị bịa na fight ya. Ọ ihe ọ na-eme today with Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ọkpọ female ekuk ọkpọ nke mere ọnụ ka atụrụ. Nke adụ ka ewu akpọrọ ọkụ na UK. Akpọpụta data agadi nwaanyị na-ekwero nka.
Ọnụ dis Achalugo. Lazuba fụ nke a na ọ ga-ekwuru iru na. Lazuba abụọkwa efe ebe ka anyị repọtụ dị bịa na agbasị ọnụ. Kotogodu Achalugo ka mmala ka ịfụ ka macha ga-eso wedị. Mmala ka ọ ga-eso. Ebi na-ekwu na eyi. Anyị na-asụ Igbo, ọ na-asụ Igbo ọfụma. Ka elekere ka ọ ga-eso wedị. Ifugo wa ibe gị na ama m ịmankwe pike this challenge. Gary no na mba like this guy keta mba abụzụ ya
Nke akakụdazi nke a nka na-eche uche. Ama m dị odede nwaanyị adị m onu ka torotoro. Akpọpụta ya gwa ihe oge ọbịa mee ihu ka ihu ekpo. Don't worry, I will start screenshotting her now. Maybe na next screenshot ihu ekpo because ịma na mgbari nkịta all this well. And they all have pictures and videos will be on my page pinned. I will go and unpin female ekuke because onye nke ahụ wa afọ anụ nwe ihe ọ pas ka bụ ashawo Libya nwe ihe mma onye gbara akwụna na Libya ejiri akụkọ. I don't have time. No nke asị m ọ bụ single mother. Nkochapụta ebe ọ nọ that's ahang ya mịa. mmecha ya ihe eze adụ ka ewu akpọrọ ọkụ a ga-eje kwukwesị ya eze o jejegoduru je chịkọta eze kwa isi imechi ọnụ ada ekwe ọnwụ ọ dịka onye gaazị ama odede nwaanyị nka ama onye mụrụ nwaanyị nka ama nnọọ ka nna ya dị ka ọ nne ama onye oyiri I don't know. I don't really. Otu akịta nsi wụcha ahụ na-apụta na do ready to sleep. She cannot on her camera like this. Before ọ pụta life ọ ga-eme ihu ya embam ochie ebe a bupụta ihu mezie kwuo nke ọnụ awakọ ọnụ eweju ya ọnụ awakọ ọnụ eweju ya ọnụ ọ na-asọ oyi gbajuo kaikai na kọpụ na-aṅụ ifi ebe ọ na-aṅụ sapele wọta ịgba n'aka. Yes, so Simon is a saint. Now what for you? And I'm agwago ihe anụma. Oh my good sister, tell them the truth. I'm telling you, someone bụ ezigbote sent. Someone mechalụ ndị ihe dazi yisi aha akwa. Someone gbere ha film na what for you? Chene ihe anyị na-apụta na cover up. Simon dealt with these cowards. He dealt with them without no mercy. O gosiri ha nkale. That is name exploits.
Yeah.
Simon achieved a lot of things during these 5 years. To compare all these vagabonds, underground work. Ongwano Juzia had that underground work. Neye ha na-edegeri na their pages. Ha na-achụgharị one of my follower created account Ikenna David. Ka ha si na onye ndu. Chi ụmụ Igbo nọkwa ebe a. Chi ụmụ Igbo na watch him. Ha sịkwa na onye ndị a dị nnọọ nzuzu. Very useless. Ịgwa ha eziokwu a suspect be si na ebe onye ndu. Ifugie that their gossip ijiri ha eko ha ọnụ ha si na ebe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu. Ifugie very incompetent fools.
Hey, nah. I cannot be done with that. We watch at this.
Amamihe Ekechukwu amamihe na-akọ. Then English go ka nghọta ihe na-akọ biko. Did I both to anything? I got I mean please write what I can read. I beg. Don't stress my brain. My sister, thank you very much for speaking the truth about Simon. No, Simon of ezigbo nwa Chineke. Na what ema atụrụ gas. I will not lie for you now. I won't lie for you at all. Simon Obu, a nice guy, very good guy, very outstanding guy. If Simon knew who oge echa, omo ekwu okwu, omo e present okwu, omo that's all the well coordinated. Simon Omelugu broadcast ebe dash ya your last card. On ekwu okwu ka that's ka onye azụrụ azụ. Simon is a big fish now. Oyi ha ndị a na-arụ gagale.
Imagine ebe that big fish ka oge nkere. Potanan, yana replace. Imagine I can say, imagine you were lion. You know, they got what kulu. Woman, nketa na kulu na village na ta woman so much. Nketa na abo my village. Nketa na bagu go bad me omo iwo he ga cho itanji. E cooking. What does I need you to replace lion? Who does that? Ima nke abo first like now. I shall go tasty. We put it on him. Or they quick for nan ka. Matoka mata na obo na wo go force you put this thing on. Wo le force there. No pay me on agwage. Experience so well. O go na Simon attack. Na wo ke ni biala bono. Ekwe na wata wo ke ni biala bono. Ya ka madam be enjoy Simon. Mpọta sekete na asị m oge nkere ibikwasị na kanuka na ọnụ gị ka ebe ị ga-ebido okwu ka ọ na gịnị ka ebe one Karipo, please stop my rave. My sister, not really you. If not, I would go with that one our live broadcast before. God, do too much.
What you know, Mohammed Abbas, all the whole empty threats. What threaten the people na online na radio Biafra. Écoutez dibia milife. Kedi siena. Amano iho ji akoso blonda na radio Biafra. Na akoso Maazị Nnamdi Kanu problem upon problem. Anụmanụ na-achịtara akị. Their supreme leader na court, they couldn't provide one lawyer. When you have passed out, you have a echedebe bụ gossip. Gịnị ka ejetere taa? asịrị onwe ihe ọzọ.
Oluchiwa God, I greet
They will
you.
never go unpunished, my sister. So asịrị. I can remember when they said Simon Ekpa is working for Nigerian government. Imagine them do shit. Kita ọha wana work with Nigerian government. Jenala ego ndị agụụ na-ele nwa gị. Gịnị ka gụ na onye na-ele nwa gị na fight for? Can a hungry person fight for freedom? Just like female ekuke na $300 sell the struggle. Na $300 kọpụta kọ inyo. A hungry people. Gịnị ka gị na onye agụụ na-akọ in the freedom? What will you be doing with a hungry vagabond? For people, I support Metu because Metu said today in his broadcast that now this new leadership and set up now nde ga no n'ime ga-abụ nde that's nde dị well to do. People nwere things, people nwere investment, ji ego nwere tangible thing ha na-eme. Anyị achọzi nde na-achọ akwụkwọ Europe. Ndị na-eri aduro. Gịnị ka onye na-eri aduro o nweta akwụkwọ okwu ha just like female ekuke na o ji go Maazị Nnamdi Kanu IPOB nweta akwụkwọ n'Europe na-akọghịrizi akọghịrị. Anybody na-achọ akwụkwọ anyị agaghị eti ya n'any leadership. Ya je chọwa akwụkwọ mgbe o nwetara akwụkwọ he can come and join us. Anyị achọghị ndị agụụ. Anyị chọrọ ndị leadership ga na-atụ ego. That is amụ ụtọ tụọ ego ga daa ụda as a leader you are. If you don't have money, go and make money, because this level of leadership I in set up now is not for the weak. If you are not competent, you will not join. Kucho no dokwa. Dai na chana bunde nwelo ngabase. People dance, people uji egwu. The good guy, someone a good guy, and now for you, very good guy. Share this video, Biko Jare. It's clear now they are working for Nigeria government. Yes, they are working for Nigerian government. They say Simon Ekpa is working for Nigerian government, but they celebrate when Nigerian government with Finland arrested Simon Ekpa. Ochukwu ga-akpọ ha ọkụ. Otu aka ga-esi buru Mohammed Abbas. Ọfọrọ gịnị Simon apụtara onwe. Obere oge na Simon apụta. Gịnị bụ. O nwere onye ada eje prison. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ojebe prison before pụtara onwe. Nke a na oye ha pụtakwa and Simon will come out. Nwe ihe ga-eme. Ka ọ pụta deal with them nke o mefọrọ emefọ. Chineke melụ mmadụ ebere unu siri eghe anyị egwu anaghị ana. It's not a threat. Na ghọta gị zube na oshi ndị ohi nke unu diriziri na aka unu bụ. Unu ama nlizi ọzọ ọ dịrọ possible na wa for you. Unu ama nlizi ọzọ nke a unu rite na aka unu bụ. Ọ ihe m kwuru. Nke unu riri na aka unu bụ. Onwezi ọzọ unu na-achọ irizi. So zuo n'ike. The era of brown envelope in this struggle has come and gone. No more, no less. Never again. Ọ dịrọzi possible. We cannot watch any governor na anyezi unu ego ọzọ. Agwago ha that no one lives in an old glory. Chinasa Nworu criminal, Chikedoziem criminal, Nzurumike criminal, Isaiah Oba criminal, Awanyime Onwakpo criminal. Name them hanine criminal. Ndoshi criminals. Ndoshi everywhere. Oh, you have a bunch of fools on a DOS. The name of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu destroy. Anyị chena anyị na human being na-emekọ ihe anyị amanụ ụmụ anụmanụ ka anyị na ha na-agwọtọkọ onwe anyị ha jide awa white na stain. Master Prophet was saying it that time. I na doubt ya. We never knew that na the man fụchara afụcha. Ndoshi criminals ebe niile unu na-awụ ya ala asịrị ka unu ji bata na Biafra struggle anaghị ekpudo ọnụ ndoshi.
Now, why am I the open to one restriction here?
Maazị Nnamdi Kanu
restriction. Okay.
Na Nairobi o jere nka ọ gbara klọb o ji ego anyị na-ego designer ndị iberibe na onye ndu ji ego ndị adụ nzuzu wee
ego
designer oke ka ọ gbara ọtọ unu onye ndu ka onye nkiri nka akwa obi adị unu mma ọkwa Chukwu ọkpọgo unu ọkụ already. I get am before no be property o setigo
ifugo na the struggle boom go onye ọbụla na-azụ isi onwe azụ na the struggle boom go na-erizi dọla n'ego pritiko gwanụ ha na the struggle boom go alikasewo na peji go otio gbàtí mo ṣe fídíò lọ́wọ́ ịma na ofe ka ahụ tinyere n'ọfịa mechakwara bute ike ogene uche chukwu abụrụ uche mmadụ nwanne m zukwa n'ike I get am before no be property. Hey, Okeke Samuel chukwu na-alụ arrival of my son nwa nweke nwa m my son nekwenu nwa m nwa m achachi nke ọmụ nekwenu diọkpara m my son is here. The arrival of Acha China son, the arrival of my son. Diọkpara m tọrọ m atọ ide here nwa tọrọ nne efugie emechacha unu iwu unu ga-ekpete. I get am before no be property.
That's not PM Jadaba to the bubbles.
Una fugo the struggle till DOS no baka. Ha were ye gbas. Were ye kori ihe, were ye churu nwanyị. Ịma how many women ha na dinner in a day? Na ha bụ member of the, you don't know me. You don't know that na bụ member. You don't know that na bụ member of DOS. You don't know. Should I tell you? Amobononya, ewere na-asa ụmụ nwaanyị dị gullible. Nwaanyị na-enwere isi na mmadụ ewere na-asa ha isi. Agwago people how many men jidere female ekuke destroy ya. Ị ga-asị na lie maka Chukwu. Agwago how many men destroy goro that lady. Hey! Ị ga-agba n'aka. Onye ka nji wee bụ queen ebe ọ nọ ha ncha. Nwe any of them ga-ejekata n'ụzọ na-asị na ọfụ ga-achara ugwe. Ị na-afụ m ebe ke mụ na gị nwere ịkọ. You don't want it. And with the kind of people I mingle with, people I talk to. In Afia, enwem level, enwem capacity, enwem class. I don't deal with cowards. Mụ na ndị nzuzu ade. No. The first time I got China, I na-ekwu okwu May 30th nka. Flight was on May. May ending. I decided to just, to just change my flight and come back before May. Change alone, cancel my flight.
No, don't insult her here.
I don't want to. I never, because I wanted to follow them and do the 30th May remembrance. I wanted to join them. But in Chekichaya Semba, nda the bad, nde enwere nsọ na ha nwere ike na abido gbadobe nwunye mmadụ dịka m. Si no, let me just kowakeli nda aka ka nna riere onwe m na mụ nwa achọrọ enete mgbasara nda. Otu aka nsi kpochakeli ha aka. Piam! Nna rie ozugbo. Nna mụ nalụ nata ebe a ha na-question. Achaluga kweche na ije China why na ịnọrụzi ka eme 30th May si ala gbaa gị. Why anything you represent? Chukwu kpọọ gị ọkụ. Weda ma ọgụ nwa dunyere m China, m ga-eji wee nọrọ. Were join ya mee 30th. Nsi a Chukwu buo gị ọnụ. Kpọọ gị ọkụ. Kpọrie gị akpọrie. You nwere right ebi eju mụ nwa bụ Achaluga ajụjụ ụjọ adịghị. You know the fear.
You never pass at everything.
How the heck are you? Who you be? I'm your first son. No. My first son. No comment. There is no how you can be my first son. No, it's not possible. I will not deny my first son right. I beg. My first son remain my first son. He was Ezekiel's second son. Okay? That was it. So.
Bencheka.
If we get now. Nda no ha bia you question why na ma join ha na China ka ememe 30th. Say ha no. Because they are eager. Ka azin ka amaburu Achalugo ka ta Achalugo. Hey Achalugo. Dala. Ka mbia dake onu ka unu welu mkobe. Unu welu acha China na eko. Unu buwe m ụzọ. Mgbotuo ma oburu na nna eso ụmụ mwakakwu deka onu. When they knew of young fool, that's do qualified the money.
We'll be starting the
And that's, you know, they see how I be. You didn't know mine, you know, one had didn't mine. One I hear no mine yourself. Makatana, but I'm one and all. Eh? Not now, for now. Okay, you are still here. Oh, mom can never now. My stubborn son, or that no one here. Una no mine no more. Or now, quite new here, chacha. Until I have educated a chairman. If you get now, if Tana, that's a mopotunde. Ebuta uje kwegi no mu no na anode. Gini ka ya ya na asị na nwa abụdekwa stupid o. Makwa ihe bụ man no just talk too much o. Because I have come on as in come on emo onwe overhype. Do you know the reason why I am called Achalugo? You don't know. Maro and na aga manata. Makwa na Achalugo ka mbụ. Mbịa na mụ na ụna abịa na ahụ aka n'ike na-esi n'ime. Onwere any of you guys na ofugo m na? None of you. When any of you guys that's not off gum get a men come. Cha 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 cha. Walk along. I wanna get out and do shit. Criminals. Criminals. Now you be my sister again since you have realized the truth. Ongobrumbo mo na ga sister gbasara mi che na nwe time. Ibo my sister bro, I no send you. Onye gbasara m na ị da that na asịrị ka eji Simon ekwakọ ka ọ ka m bịa yọwa gị biko no let me enter you nakwa me take chances abeg. So that is it. Ndị a bụ ndị oshi, ndị a bụ criminals, ndị anụnwa, they are not whom they claim that they are.
This lady
God will protect you for me and for Biafra. He says in the hey, after 12, I want to sleep.
Okay, my people. We are going to end it here because I'm coming back again. There's a program I want to stream. So permit me to end it now. They are gonna start in less than 5 minutes. So, and I'm actually late somehow. So I believe you can hear the sound somehow. We are coming back. US government, they are live. So let me hook on. I'll end this and come back in a short while. Please don't go far, okay? Because you may not see the notification because I'm not the one controlling that. So after some times, check. Although the program I have scheduled it already, so you can see it here on this platform. Join us. Let's see what the government have for us. Yeah, Passover Day, something like that. Yeah, that's it. Next month, I can see you. God bless you guys and take care of yourself. Don't forget to like the video in case if you have not, and subscribe. Very, very important. I don't know why the program is off and on, to be honest with you. I've been there but it keep on going off and on, off and on. I hope it's not going to affect. Recording in progress. All right, take care. Bye-bye for now.